will I enter now or do I wait for? Yeah, I think I will enter it now, because the thing with this trade is it got such a good risk to reward ratio, so it's worth entering it, even if, like, what I'm looking at is market might come up, retest the zone again, and then we're losing a couple of pips here, right? But the trade is so good, and it can actually start running away from us now, so it's worth entering now. If you're unsure, you can enter with a couple of positions, and then if it comes back up a little bit, you can get in with more positions. Let's draw this one out. Let's draw this one out. Let's remove these lines. Let's remove more lines because there's a lot of stuff here. A lot of FUD. Oh snap, and one thing I didn't even see, that I see now, is you see this big swing, this whole big swing, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So it means like market came up all the way, and I'm pulling Fibonacci, this Fibonacci here, from this bottom to this top. And the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of that swing conflues perfectly. If you see this blue line, it conflues perfectly with the bottom of the demand zone, the zone that we just retested as resistance, right? You see this now? So another confluence. We had a, remember we had the 200-day EMA, so another confluence of this being a very strong resistance right now. So this is definitely a trade that we want to get into. All right, let me call out the numbers, and then that's it for today. We're streaming every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes on Monday, sometimes on Friday too, but you can expect every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Stop loss 98. Oh, let's see if we can do a better stop loss. Yeah. All right. First take profit is here. And that is 2,800. 2,800. Just like that. Second take profit is here. And then we got the last one. And that is that. If you want, you can even have a take profit 6 on this one. That will be here at 17,500. Just to make one thing clear, when you hit TP1, the first thing you do, you move stop loss to break even. That's a given, all right? To take the risk off the table. Now it's a risk-free I cannot talk. A risk-free trade, and you can enjoy the profits. After that, we have all these take profits, 6 take profits. When you come down to TP1 and you break that level, like let's say market comes down here and breaks this level, retest it to continue to push down, your stop loss, you trail it. So you will take, like for example, if it retests this zone and starts to push down from here, I would put my stop loss at about TP2. All right. So keep that in mind. I will call it out. I will say it in the Telegram channel. But you know, sometimes market moves fast, things happens fast. I'm stuck. I'm in a meeting or whatever, and I don't see the markets always. So, but maybe you see it. So just so you know, keep that in mind. TP1, move stop loss to break even.